You know what else sounds fantastic? Protein peanut butter cups. Before we do anything, let's wash our hands for 20 seconds.
Oh, you are a dazzling place.
What's up everybody? This easy recipe only has 5 ingredients. Here's what you need. 3 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of almond milk, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of protein powder, and 80 grams of dark chocolate. That's it. This recipe makes 5 cups depending on the size of your cupcake molds, or how much you're feeling like a snack. Mix all of the ingredients except for the dark chocolate into a bowl. You should end up with a relatively thick consistency. Next we'll melt down your dark chocolate. Simply pop it into a bowl and microwave it in 30-second increments, giving it a stir in between each time you heat it. Now we're going to spoon in the first layer of dark chocolate into your molds. Try not to go too crazy with the first layer because you're going to apply another layer of chocolate on top anyway. Next, fill the middle with your peanut butter mix and then spoon in more chocolate until it's all covered. Throw these bad boys in the fridge and chill for an hour. There you have it. These little guys pack a punch full of protein, carbs are almost non-existent, and pumped full of good fats. Stay safe and stay tuned for more healthy tip videos.